I'm Dave Lamb with Service Trucks International. People often call and ask us about maintenance on their Tiger crane. Today we'll be looking at the 6542 Tiger crane. I'll be showing you some different spots for lubrication and such. For grease zerks, we're going to have one down here on the rotator. There'll be one back on the pivot pin. There's another one on the rotate gear. One on the lift cylinder. One underneath on the bottom of the lift cylinder. And there will be two on either side for the slide for the jib. And also two on the front sheaves. There is also a filter in the manifold. There's this big nut, just loosen that nut, pull it out, and then there's a replaceable filter element in there. And that should be everything for service of this. If you have any questions, give us a call, 800-225-8789, or contact us on the servicetrucks.com website. Thank you for your time.